Hello, so what have we here? This is the 4th of June, and so it's our last day of the Landscape Inside Out exhibition, which has now been on since the beginning of March, so 3 months. And my goodness, hasn't the time gone quickly? So I thought in the interest of having a complete story, I would just do a walkthrough and a share with you of part of the final day and also some of what happens next. Okay, I'll turn the camera around. Okay, so here we are on our walkthrough, so the panoramic views there, over to the sketchbook wall where we have both the monthly mark making sketchbooks, marking seasons, and my 6 Constantina sketchbooks. And over here in the rather sunny cabinet we have some of my other sketchbooks that I use an awful lot, so I'm rather a sketchbook fanatic. And then obviously in the corner there is our video, and the full video will become available on YouTube at some point. And then fully intact, amazingly, is the sketchbook wall, the drawing wall I should say, and part of it is mine and part is Hugh's. So there's that. And then if I swing round, this is the other wall of our panoramic view and edgelands, and as you can see on the right are my 6 edgeland panels, the 2 big A1s, and then my 3 smaller panoramics. And then we come into the woodland, and here we have the spring woods and 4 of my spring woods paintings. And then if I move around, it's a lovely sunny day again, and it's so beautiful in the gallery here because it's such a really sunny light space. And then those are my 3 woodland autumn woods paintings. And then if I come round, I have 2 of my other spring woods on this big wall. And then we are round into the moorland. So I will go onto this wall first, and the summer moors there, the winter moors there. And if I go round to the entranceway, you will just see some more of my summer moors works, which are on paper behind glass. And these are my touching distances, 3 large panels, all about looking at the winter moors from across the valley from the residential streets. And then finally I will show you this wonderful panoramic view, which is so nice to have it connected here. So these are the very moors and hills that are the basis of our work. And it's such a lovely sunny day, and you can see all of the wonderful roof of the gallery in flower. And you can see the lovely reflections in the space of this gallery, and this is precisely why we wanted to have an exhibition in this space, because it does show the work off so lovely. Anyway, I'll end it there, and then you'll see us at some point starting to take the work down from the walls, and some of it will be packaged and sent to its new owners, and some will be coming back with me to the studio. Inside Out exhibition that was. There is paintings packed up, the wall is packed up, the video is gone, and all of the paintings are wrapped and ready to come back either to our studios or to be sent to their new owners. There are the last of them in there. And the vinyls that were on the walls are gone, and it's all ready for the next installation. So thank you so much for watching the journey of the Landscape Inside Out body of work. It's not all sold, so if you do have interest in buying any of the work, then please do get in contact. You can email me or private message me, and you'll have seen the paintings on the videos. You may well have had the catalogue, so you will know what they're called. But just get in contact if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching this journey. And it's not all over, this is just the beginning. But thanks a lot, and please do like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks a lot, bye-bye.